And you take this coat here and you solve the problem. God damn it. Why would you go and get yourself brighter?
I'm sorry.
God damn it, Shaniqua. I didn't want a family.
Okay, I'll do it.
God, that better, Needle. Dumb bitch. Don't you cry about it. Stupid whore. Doesn't know how to put condom. I said stop crying. Is it done?
Why is there so much blood?
You want to see blood? You want to see blood? Yes, Super Nyan Cat.
Davis.
Shit, why are you here?
Davis.
Yeah?
You hurt my girl?
No.
Shaniqua?
No.
Where's my money, Davis?
I don't have any money, man. I told you I'd have money next week. I swear. Okay.
There's no more time, Davis.
Come
you
on.
messing with my woman?
Come on, you gotta get
Take
your stuff.
Shaniqua from me? What are you gonna take?
You gotta get...
Oh, Davis.
What?
Where's my Shaniqua?
I don't know.
It better not be my Shaniqua. Splat on the side, I got it. It better not be my Shaniqua.
I don't know.
It better not be my Shaniqua.
It's not.
Don't want my Shaniqua! What you do with my Shaniqua?
Come in.
Your pizza, sir. Thank you.
Where's Shaniqua? Where's my Shaniqua? I'm gonna throw you out! Yo, man, you got light?
No, sorry, I'm trying to quit. This game is awesome. Who is it?
It's the cops.
Police?
Oh, God.
Put your hands up. No. Get on the ground. Hand me that stuff. I said hand me. Slide it across the floor.
Take it. Take all of it.
Okay, you stay on the ground. Ah, that is strong. I don't want you in my city.
What?
Get up.
What are you doing?
Get over here.
What are you doing? Oh!
Piece of shit. Hey, you got a light?
No, sorry, I'm trying to quit.
Yeah. Don't do drugs, citizen.